What's the meaning of androgen? Androgen. 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 Androgen.
Androgens are a class of hormones that play crucial roles in the development and maintenance of male characteristics in humans and other animals. They are primarily produced by the testes in males and ovaries and adrenal glands in females. Androgens promote growth and development of male sex organs, as well as secondary sexual characteristics such as deep voice, facial hair, and increased muscle mass. In females, androgens contribute to the growth and maintenance of bone and muscle mass, but excess androgen levels can also lead to symptoms like acne and hirsutism, excessive hair growth.